Hi guys, this is Lisa here. So today is a very special day for snow. So actually, it's more like we call it Annaprakhanna. It's a ceremony which is held in Assamese culture. So it's basically for the kids. So when the kids switch from mom's milk and from baby food to normal food like rice, dal, and sabzi and whatever food we have in general. So that's the day we celebrate Annaprakhanna, and it is actually supposed to be fed by the mom's brother, but since I do not have any brother right now, so my dad did the ceremony, and it was really fun actually. So in our case, in cat's language, it would be more like Snow used to have baby food. So we have switched her to adult food today, and because it's going to be just I think it's just 2 months left for her birthday, and it's she's almost 10 months now, and I think that it's the right time for her to switch to adult food. And then it's not that we are trying to switch her to an adult food right away, but we are more trying to like switch her in small proportions. So today is like a special day for her. It's like the D day for her to change to adult food, and I think she pretty much liked it. And yeah, it was really great. Many of my friends video called me, and we kind of had a meet video call, Google Meet video call, and many of them joined, and it was really fun. It was a small ceremony, but it was really nice. So I will explain you everything. So in the video itself, how the ceremony goes, and I hope it's good because I haven't checked the video yet. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Everyone is watching or eating food, basically.
So normal. Very normal.
¿Cuál es el lengua? ¿Cuál es el lengua?